Hello and welcome to UltraCare PRO YouTube channel. Subscribe to this channel to learn more about UltraCare PRO products, its services and its usage. Hello friends, I am Physio Meghna Dave and in today's video, let's understand how to fix low back pain in less than 1 minute. If your low back pain is acute, if it is following in muscular strain, like maybe you bent and when you got up, immediately the pain started, or you were having some mild back pain constantly throughout your working hours, then this pain can be fixed with few things. These things are: number one, apply ice pack. Yes, if your pain is very acute, very mild, and immediately if you apply ice pack, or else you can say if you act fast in applying ice pack, definitely that spasm will come much under control. Make sure to apply an ice pack with a bigger size so that it covers your entire back region. Maintain this ice pack for around 15 to 20 minutes and slowly you will observe that your pain will go away. The second thing that you can do to fix your low back pain is taking some rest. Many a time when we are in a certain posture that puts a lot of strain on your low back region, that is the time we start developing low back pain. The reason this happens is because our lower back curvature don't get adequate support in the times when we are standing or else we are sitting on a chair. Despite the chair has gotten back support, the lower back region usually stays with no support because of its curvature. Especially for the people who have got deeper curvature of the lumbar spine, for them getting that support becomes way more difficult. And that's the reason they develop low back pain. So how to solve this? The best way to ease this is just lie down, bring both the legs towards your chest and just stay in that position, and slowly you will observe that your pain will go away. The third thing to reduce or fix your low back pain at this time is also placing a circular pillow, a round pillow behind your back, especially in your lower back curvature where you are not getting that support. This will definitely fix your low back pain issue. You can fix your low back pain is by doing some mild spine movements. These spine movements are, so if you have low back pain, just come down, pull your legs towards the chest, just like exercise number one. Keep this hand behind the back like this where you feel the low back pain. Press it down, press your tummy down and release. 2, release. 3, release. 4, release. 5 and release. You can do this for 5 to 10 repetitions. The third thing that you can do is you can bring your legs towards the chest and shift like this. 2, 3, 4. The third exercise that you can do is lifting your tummy up and down. 3, 4, 5. So doing these simple exercises in the early phase of low back pain will make sure that your pain goes away. So friends, this is how you can fix your low back pain. I hope you found these tips helpful. If yes, make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends and family members, and do not forget to subscribe to UltraCare PRO YouTube channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.